What's up, guys? Every time it's Mr. Risk every time trading every day, trading hub every day, guys. Remember to like every time. For today's video, I will enter direct to the point, guys. For today's video, I will explain my entry, my 15-minute entry model every day, my best trading strategy that I call setup 2, guys. Every time, remember, we have setup 1, setup 2, and setup 3, guys. For today's, I will explain the entry model 15-minute, the best of my setup. That is setup number 2, guys, on how I enter and how I analyze my trend and my entry look. How do we look at it, guys? So I will show you how it looks. That is my setup number 2, guys. So my setup number 2, it is entry in 15, whereby the market has been moving down like this, forming some candles like that. These let's say these are 15-minute candles. It moves like this, right? Then it pullbacks, let's say 2 to 3 candles, then a strong candle is formed. So my entry point is here. This is my entry point, and my stop loss is here, and my TP will be the next key level, right? A ratio of 1:2. That is my entry model every time. And this one, it happens mostly at the Asia. So this is the Asia candle. When it pushes up, sorry guys, sorry for that, we clear also. That is the Asia move. A wick is formed, and we break these eyes, we enter or we show a direction. Alright, so it is composed of the higher time frame from 4-hour candles, and then we break it to entry model of 15-minute candles, guys. So it is simply looks like this. It simply look like this. Alright, so you can enter this point after confirmation, or you enter the break. So a ratio of 1:2 every time. So that is my entry point, guys. So I will take you to the chart and show you how I identify them and how I trade and how I have journaled. Even we will go to the journal and see the winning rate and how the market has done. So boom, we are in the chart, guys. So let's look our entry model, guys. So right now, it is very, you can see the time, it is 5:57, guys. So the market is forming kind of my entry model here. So I'm waiting for the market to come. You can see there is that move. Let me show you. Let me elect that move. Yes, you can see very clearly there is that move. Then the market comes at this point. We can enter here, or after confirmation we test our next key level. All these move has been caused by this one. So we are inside the structure. You can see the structure. We will be trading inside the structure. I told you every time as a trader, if you go against the structure, we start selling right now, that is very bad, because we have broke this structure here. So the market will go up. The key level of trading, you need be trading inside the structure. Know that very key. So right now we are entering and buy position at this point here. Yes, and buy position be identified at this place here, guys. So we enter our buy. We can leave a buy limit, or we wait for a confirmation be seen, then we enter at this point, or here the break of buy and target the next key level. And that is what we trade. I will take you to the journal right now and see how I have a high winning rate on my trading strategy, guys. So I will take you through how I have traded the last previous days, guys. So it is here. This is an example. This is the second example, guys. So you can see there was that move here. There was that impulsive move here. This happened on Asia. So pre-London, it comes to continuation. There is this move. You can see the pattern. The entry model is here and the TP is here. This is my setup to trading every time how it looks. This is my entry point and my TP is here at the top, right? So I will take you to several days on how I have done it, guys. Several days on how I have done it, guys. This is another day that I did it again. It was buys. It was on Monday. All right, it was on Monday. It was on Monday. There was an impulsive move like that. Retest, we break, after confirmation we enter the trade. This is on Monday, guys. I will take you several days that I have done it, guys. Yeah, this is one. It was on, I mean, this one was on, which day am I gone? So this is a trade that I trade on last week on Wednesday. Yes, last week on Wednesday it was sales. There was an impulsive move like this one in Asia. When London comes, it does like that. Pre-London, we are in the move, right? That is how I done it, guys. So I will take you to the journal for you to prove things and understand how things are done, guys. So every time we train sharp, we train wisely every time, guys. So I will take you to my trading journal and at least see what actually did what actually we did, guys. This is my trading journal, right? Let me take you to my trading journal, just 1 minute remaining. All right, I will take you there right now. Where is my trading journal? This is the trading outcome 2026. All right, we are done. So this is last week, guys. All right, let's see a trade on a trade that I took on when. Yes, this is on Thursday. This is on Thursday. Let's go on Friday. This was on Friday. Let's see. This is on Friday. Let's see the entry point on Friday. How the market move, guys, on Friday. Let's see the outcomes of Friday. The outcome of Friday. Yes, this was on Friday, guys. So this was the move here. This was the move. You can see very clearly this was the move here. The candle came, formed, it moved up, formed a setup to, and went up to our TP level. That was the move there, right? Let me take you to another day that shows a very clear move. Date 10th September. Yes, all right. Here on Monday setup. Let's see on Monday. I want to show you the exact entry model. It is here. It is on sales. It is on sales, guys. A very good impulsive move here. You can see a very good impulsive move. The market comes. We can enter after confirmation or we enter at the break. So my entry was right and my stop loss was right. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Every time is Mr. Risk Train Chap Train Wesley every day, guys.